Hi students. So today we will start with the new topic in grammar known as determiners. So what are determiners? So determiners are the words used to determine or identify a noun or a noun phrase. For example, this duster, this pen. So this is a determiner. It tells which pen, this pen. So this is a determiner. So let us write the definition and the types of determiners and we'll understand it side by side. Okay, so first of all, you write today's date. Give the heading as determiners. Write this in your grammar notebook, okay? So what are determiners? Determiners are defined as a word that determines or limits a noun or a noun phrase is called a determiner, as I said, which tells or determines a noun or limits कि इतने ही nouns. If I'm talking about pen, so these pens. So which pen? These pens, not all the pens found in the world. Only I'm talking about these pens. So they determine or limit a noun. Now there are two types of determiners. One is specific determiner and another is general determiner. Determiners can be divided into and general. So what are specific determiners? Let us write it first and then we will understand. Specific determiners are used in nouns and noun phrases to talk about specific people or things. Example, this, that, these, all of them are specific determiners because I specify and say this marker. Which marker? This. I'm not saying any marker, a marker, every marker. I am specifying this marker is black in color. So I'm talking about this. So this is a specific determiner. I am talking about a specific noun or a specific noun phrase. Clear? So these are specific determiners. When I talk about a specific object, a specific group of people, that comes out to be specific determiners. Clear? Now let us define general determiners. General determiners are used to talk about people or things in general. And when I talk about people or things in general, it comes out to be general determiner. Example, a, an, every, many, most, etc. So when I'm not talking about something particular, for example, a bird, an animal. So it can be any animal, right? If I say a bird came and sat on my window, so any bird can come and sit on my window. But if I say this bird, so I'm specifying which bird. That is why and, every, many, most, which does not tell us a specific object, it does not point towards a specific object, are called general determiners. Clear? Now you can pause the video and write till here. Let us come to the next part. You have to continue from that page only, okay? What does determiners include? So determiners includes the following. All these words or all these things are known as determiners. First is articles. All the articles that we use, a, an, and the, are a part of determiners. All of them are called determiners. The second is possessive adjectives. My, your, our, his, her are all called possessive adjectives, and they are also called determiners. Whose book? My book. So my is possessive adjective and it is also a determiner. Clear? The third is it also includes demonstratives. Like this, that, all of them are demonstrative. They demonstrate which object are we talking about. Next, it includes all the distributives. How do I distribute things between all people? Each person, every person, all person, many person, all of them are distributives. Next is, it includes all quantifiers. All the words which are used to quantify something, like a little soup, a little salt. So a few, little, all of them talk about the quantity. So they are quantifiers. They also come in demonstrative. Last, all the interrogatives are known as determiners. Interrogatives. All the words with which I ask questions, like what, whose, which, all of them are called interrogatives, and they are also known as determiners. Clear? Yes, you can pause the video and write this much. Okay, now we will draw a table. First, let us write the question, right? Exercise 1. Some determiners have been given in the first column. Write two nouns along with the determiners in the next columns. Which determiner can be used with which noun, you have to write that. I'll give you one example. So first let us draw the table. Yes. Give the heading determiners. Noun 1, noun 2. Done? Now in determiners, the first one I will write. Just make a list of determiners over here. All. Second is any. Third is another. Fourth is every. Fifth is more. Sixth is most. Seventh is much. And eighth is I am giving a number of 20. Okay. Now you have to see, you have to use all these determiners with a noun like all. All will go with all schools, all women, all girls, like this. Any. So any person, anyone, any school. Okay, you have to write with nouns, not with adjectives. Okay, like 20 books. So books are nouns and 20 is a determiner. Like that, you have to write two nouns for every determiner. Okay, like every, so every moment, more advice, most women, much money. Like that, you have to give two nouns for each determiner. You have to do this in homework. Okay, now you can pause the video, write the table, draw the table and complete it. Okay. Yes, so that is all for today. Till then, we'll meet next class. Till then, bye. Take care and have a nice day.